Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma in Asma'S kitchen, and Asma'S kitchen is all about to present every recipe in quick and easy way and to make cooking easy peasy lemon squeezy for everyone. So today I am gonna share a really exotic recipe for lassi, famous in Pakistan especially in summer. So let's start. For lassi I have yogurt 1 cup, yogurt cream 2 tablespoons, ice 1 cup and milk 1 cup. Now in a blender add 1 cup milk, then 1 cup yogurt, then 3 tablespoons sugar, or you can add sugar according to your taste, then add 1 cup of ice, and now blend all together. Now it's ready and I am pouring lassi into glasses. And in last add cream in lassi. Now it is absolutely ready to drink. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this refreshing drink, and if you like, then click like button and let me know about your opinion in comment section, and share it with your family, friends, and subscribe Asma'S kitchen for more delicious quick